Looking for bringing some variety under your Instagram pictures during this holiday season? Then this video is for you. I've chosen several really nice and cute, funny and lovely captions we can use under our Instagram photos. So let's just have a look at them. All about Christmas time, so Merry Christmas. Consider this photo my Christmas card to you all, or to all of you. Look how sweet. Consider this photo. Let it be the Christmas card. It's beginning to cost a lot like Christmas. Short but really funny and laughable message. So you know, it's from the song. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas, but also it begins to cost a lot like Christmas. Dreaming of a white Christmas, but if the white runs out, I'll drink the red. So this is also from the song. Remember this song from Home Alone? There was this Kevin, he was home alone and he was kind of shaving and he was singing, I'm dreaming of a white Christmas. So here is actually this line, but then it says, if the white runs out, meaning if white wine finishes, I will drink the red wine, no problem. So also funny, we can laugh. Relationship status, single and ready to jingle. So you know, when we jingle bells, we kind of shake them. So jingle means like to dance, to party, to go crazy, to have a lot of fun. So single and ready to jingle. I'm only a morning person on December the 25th. So that's definitely about me. Are you a morning person or are you more like an owl, an evening owl? So obviously when it is time to check the presents under the tree, so we are all morning people, aren't we? Forget the mistletoe, you can kiss me anytime you like. I think we had this a sentence already in the Christmas wishes a video I have made. We can send it as a message, but also why not to post it under the picture? It's really sweet, you know, something like that. You can kiss me anytime you like, because this mistletoe, I've been telling it several times already, but maybe you just see this video for the first time. Anyone who stands under the mistletoe, because they put it on the ceiling, they have to kiss. So you don't have to look for mistletoe. You can kiss me anytime you like. Permanently on the naughty list and loving every minute of it. This is really funny. So, of the naughty list of Santa, of course, because you know Santa has the naughty list with those kids who do not behave well and those who behave well. So I'm permanently on the naughty list, but I'm loving every minute of it. This is really cute as well. And these ones are more like about, you know, being sweet, being warm to someone who we love. It is Christmas in the heart that puts Christmas in the air. So, of course, when we believe in something with our heart, then all this love is in the air. If kisses were snowflakes, I'd send you a blizzard. So this blizzard, you know, this is kind of stormy weather. It's such cold snow, cold rain, and there are a lot of drops. But imagine that those drops, those snowflakes, they're my kisses, and then I send you this blizzard. This is really cute. When life gives you snow, make snow angels. Do you know those snow angels? When there is a lot of snow on the ground and people do like this with the hands and their legs, and then it looks like angels. So It's like inspiring, motivation, right? Just bringing some cheerfulness to someone. Meet me under the mistletoe. So we spoke about it already. Also, like, forget the mistletoe. You can kiss me anytime, but meet me under the mistletoe. So when it is above our head, we need to kiss. My favorite color is Christmas lights. Yeah, not the ones which I have behind my back, but those which are like different colors. So meaning, when there is Christmas lights, all of these colors, I feel happy, I feel glad and joyful. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas, just the line from the song, which we will speak about in one of the videos too. Just, I actually invite you to check out the Christmas songs videos I've made, and you can take any line from this song and it can be used as a Christmas wish, or it can be used under your Instagram pictures as captions, as text, or just a message to someone, because all of those songs, they're really sweet and nice. And not only this line you can take from them, but many different lines just take and use. Merry everything and happy always. Love this message. Short and clear, not only Merry Christmas, let it be Merry everything and happy always, not only during New Year. Lovely, lovely one. Peace on earth will come to stay when we live Christmas every day. That will be the last one for today, and I think this is so much meaningful. Peace on earth will come to stay when we live Christmas every day, because when it is Christmas we forget all our problems, we forget all our troubles, we tend to forgive each other, we tend to believe in each other, and just love, peace and joy. So if we live like this, there will be always peace, and let this sweet, lovely message be our wish to each other. And I thank you so much for staying with me till this moment. This is the last wish. Let me know in the comments below which of them you liked, which of them you will use on your Instagram feed, or maybe your Facebook, or as a message. If you have any other ideas, please share it with us in the comments below, because it will be super useful for everyone who is watching this video. And please share this video with anyone who it will be useful for. Hope you have Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, warmest, cutest holiday season, and may all your wishes come true, and hope to see you again in my next videos. Bye!